This is where you gotta like put your backpack. Ooh. Oops.
Dad, you can't make it.
Oh.
I can see the rock.
Here comes the sun. Doodly-dee.
Let's go this way.
Okay.
I'm the leader from now on. If there's any skinny parts, I'll be the leader because I'm so skinny.
Can we go that way, skinny girl?
Yeah. Excuse me.
Nope.
Okay, good.
This is kind of Rose.
And we haven't even done any of our workbook.
That's okay.
Kidding me.
Found some crypto?
Okay, here.
All right.
I'm just going up for some reason.
That's okay.
Daddy!
Hey.
Oh, guys, I have to go first through that tiny little.
Okay, honey, but hold on.
Are you gonna jump that giant drop there?
Let me go first.
That's
Let
like
me
a
go
giant
first.
cliff.
Big hole.
Onto this.
Can you give your sister a little butt push?
There we go. Okay.
There you go, Ray. Thank you.
All right.
Can you give me a box?
Yes.
Whoosh.
I can take it. Yeah. Here. I didn't fin! Yay! This way, guys. Okay, I'm good. Almost split. Mary, almost split.
Oh no. Good job, Rose. You're like a little spider monkey.
I know. I'm a spider and I'm a monkey.
Spider ant.
Strong monkey.
Super strong monkey.
Wait. Is it scary in this cave right here?
I'm a little scared. How thin it gets down there. Wouldn't that be cool? Here, honey.
If Rome can get down by herself, then I.
Oh, look at that. Oh, jacuzzi. How deep do you think it is? 1,000 feet?
No, I can't see the bottom.
Could be 1,000 feet. That's really neat. I think it's a really unique,
No, you can't climb up there.
unique one.
I'm not going to try to not climb. Still red. I don't know.
Did we just lose our... Well, I've got your glasses. Probably just kicked a rock off.
Okay.
You want over?
Oh, they're so tiny. Look, they look like little tadpoles.
Yeah. I'm gonna... This is like probably a pretty...
Putting the GoPro in the water.
He wants to come check it out. Whoa.
But they're so cool. It looks like there's a spider.
Yeah, I know. You're not gonna be able to touch it though. He's gonna swim away. Pretty cool, huh?
Look at.
Can you believe these guys? I wonder how long they've been living up in here. These rocks. Bazillion years.
I just got.
I'm stoked I got to see these shrimp. That was cool. Isn't that neat? See how thin that is?
Where's Megan?
I'm a leader. My name is Rowie Rowe. Look at me go. My name is Rowe. Whoa, whoa, I'm the leader, don't you know? I'm the leader, and my name is Rowie Rowe. Here we go. I'm the leader. Get behind me, 'cause I know where to go. I'm Rowe. Should we run to catch up?
We're stepping and steps.
Oh,
Reagan.
Moki steps.
Moki steps. Reagan, you found Moki steps.
And I was like, yeah, check it out.
Found a good little spot. At least I found an apple that doesn't have any trash for it.
Bag it up.
Well done. Why do you have sauce? Do you like
So I'll
sauce on
rub them.
burritos?
Mm-hmm.
I want egg. Does it have
What?
sauce?
No.
Delicious.
Is it good? What do you got in there? Grape?
Right.
Mine's whatever's beneath it.
I'm okay.
You okay?
I'm okay, honey.
Yeah, they working?
Yeah.
Nice work. Last day for those pants, Rose.
Where?
What?
What did you think? Sandy.
Now there's a butt crack. Look at that.
I see two, like 4 holes in her butt.
She's kind of doing like some parkour stuff. She was earlier.
Are you parkouring?
Which parkour?
Doing like little tricks? Oh, you see anybody living in there?
Nobody.
Okay, girls, big fall here. Oh, you can see the you can see Balancing Rock. Don't be playing around too much right here. That's a death fall. All right, so we can choose. Right looks tight. Left looks more doable.
More doable.
Good job, Roseanne. Look at that. Climbing up something really tight, and a big boulder came wedged down, and his arm got stuck like in between the rocks, and he couldn't get out, and nobody knew he was there. He was stuck in there for
Days. 72 hours?
72 hours. Is that what the movie's called?
I think so.
So he had to break his arm and then saw it off with his... Oh, found an arch. A secret little baby arch hiding back here. He was trying to hide.
Cool.
It does. Let's check it out.
Where they're like, there's the
What I have now.
It's not green speckles, but blub, blub. That's the whole song, Daddy.
That's cool.
Have a pothole, Dad.
Power it out, okay? You want that fudge sundae, right?
Right.
Yeah, you got powered out.
I got more stronger for the bike ride.
You got more strength for the bike?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. She's ready for biking now.
nice work.
Well, cool. The only thing we haven't seen so far is a nice juicy green collared lizard. And then we can call it a good trip to Utah.